All right, we are doing well. Still going to make sure that I've grabbed all of the window screens, hips and ridges over that 4x4 metal, W valleys. We're going to need some more ridge, maybe one bundle more to finish the ridge, hopefully today, possibly today. Still a lot more details, but this is finishing the heavy lifting of the real roof properly. Let's see how cool our ridge vent. That ventilation, super important. 9-inch wide so that we can put our high profile ridge over top, not leaving any stone unturned. We're, as promised, making sure that our decking, we remove this today, of course, so that we can have solid decking to nail our shingles and ridge vents and everything into properly. I know no one else would have done this, but